Hello friends, welcome to the Civil Steps. Civil Steps is starting one of the important series that is of Target Prelims 2022. Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civil Steps will help students to cover the most important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. This Target Prelims 2022 series is starting from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target Prelims 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant and sail you through UPSC CSE exam smoothly. So initially we will start with 5 questions from important topics and then gradually we will increase the number of questions. So today we will start with history questions. So the first question is, which of the following reigns was considered the golden age of the Mathura School of Art? So there are 4 options. First option is Indo-Greeks, second one Shakas, third Kushanas, fourth Guptas. So you can pause the video and write your answer in the comment section below. So let us discuss the answer of this question. Answer of this question is option number C, Kushanas. This question talks about the golden age of the Mathura School of Art. The period of Kushana King Kanishka, Huvishka and Vasudeva is considered to be the golden age for Mathura School of Art. Apart from this, during Gupta period, Mathura School of Art reached its peak. Also, the theme of Mathura School of Art may vary from Buddhist to Brahmanical to sometimes secular. The more stress is given to the inner beauty and facial emotions rather than bodily gestures. The sculpture was made on white spotted red stones. Also, the standing Buddhas of Shravasti, Sarnath and Koshambi belongs to Mathura School of Arts. So friends, this was the explanation of question number first. Now let us discuss question number second. The discovery of Boghas Koi inscription is relevant because there are 2 statements. The first statement is, it proves that the Aryans are from Central Asia. Second statement is, it proves that the Rig Vedic culture migrated from India to Central Asia. So the following statements are 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, and neither 1 nor 2. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number C, both 1 and 2. So the explanation is, this question talks about Boghas Koi inscription. Friends, Boghas Koi is an inscription of 1400 before Common Era, which was discovered in Turkey. This inscription proves that the Aryans are from Central Asia. Boghas Koi has mentions of the names of Vedic gods Indra, Varun, Mitra and the 2 Nasatyas. It also records a treaty between the Hittite and Mitanni kings, and these gods are cited as witness to this treaty. So this was the explanation of question number second. Let us discuss question number third. Consider the following statements about Jivak Chintamani. The first statement is, It is a Jain religious epic. The second statement is it is considered one of the classic epics of Sangam literature. So you have to select the correct code. One only, two only, both one and two, neither one nor two. So you can pause this video and write your answer on the comment section below. So the answer is C, both 1 and 2. Why? Friends, this question was about Jivak Chintamani, which is an epic Tamil poem. It is a Jain religious epic authored by Jain saint Tirudkar Dev. This epic is considered one of the classic epics of Sangam literature. It is also known as Mananul, which is known as the Book of Marriages. So, source of inspiration for this poem, Katayangaran, the Tracheus minister of Hemongada, kills the royal family and usurps the throne. Queen Vijaya escapes the slaughter. She gives birth to a son and puts his father's royal ring upon his finger. The child grows up to be Prince Jivak. Jivak has many adventures and regains the throne. But the core of the book becomes apparent when, at the end of the story, a weary Jivak decides to renounce his kingdom and become a Jain monk. So this was all about question number 3. Now we will discuss question number 4. So the question is, which Indus Valley site has the streetite image of the beard man been discovered? The option number A, Mohenjo-daro. Option number B, Lothal. Option number C, Harappa. Option number D, none of the above. So you can pause this video and write your answer on the comment section below. So the answer of this question is A. This question is about the streetite image of the beard man. In the Indus Valley civilization, a beard man in streetite image has been found in Mohenjo-daro. Other images found in Mohenjo-daro are dancing girl and terracotta figurine. So this was all about question number 4. Now we will discuss the last question of this video, which is, which of the following Vedas is referred to as the Brahma Veda? So the options are A, Rig Veda, B, Sam Veda, C, Yajur Veda, D, Atharva Veda. So you can pause this video and comment your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option number D, Atharva Veda. Atharva Veda is known as Brahma Veda because it is recited by the Brahma priest in the Yagna, and also because there are deliberations about Brahman, which is the ultimate reality according to Vedanta. So this was all about question number 5. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.